Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about RViz2. We are moving forward with the simulation. Till the last part we discussed about the designing in Fusion 360 and now we are going to take that package inside the workspace, that is inside the SRC folder, because every package that we create is stored inside the SRC folder. Also, I told you guys to take that package on the Ubuntu system because in Fusion we use that particular designing software on Windows system. So we have to export that in the Windows part, then zip that package and then get into the Ubuntu system, right? Because we are going to unzip that particular package inside the SRC folder. After exporting the urdf from Fusion, it is not only urdf but we get the complete package. So now we will get into the RViz part. So let's get started. So we are inside the SRC folder and here we have the squarerobot underscore min underscore description package. This particular package that we exported from Fusion, we will get inside the workspace by doing callcon build. So in order to do the callcon build, we have to go inside the mobile underscore robot workspace. If you guys are able to recall, we are using the mobile underscore robot workspace, right? So just get inside this particular workspace by typing cd mobile underscore robot and then type out callcon build and hit enter. Okay, so the workspace building part is completed. You are getting some kind of error, but you can just neglect it because this particular error is a kind of error that you can neglect. But if you just want to remove it, just see here, it is written install underscore scripts. Here you have to change the naming convention. Instead of install underscore scripts, just write or go inside the package squarerobot underscore min underscore description, go for the setup.cfg file, get that file, and here you have to change the convention to underscore instead of dash and save it using Ctrl S. Get the terminal back, do the callcon build again, right? So you can see we have successfully built the workspace. Clear the terminal. Now source install setup.bash. Okay, we are sourcing the workspace so that we can get the or else access the install folder in order to run the command, right? So that's the thing. Now we have to launch the RVs. Okay, so in order to get the RVs, we have two methods. The very first one is that you can open a new terminal, directly type out RViz2. Okay, you will get the RViz panel. Okay, the RViz2 display, and RViz is nothing but ROS2 visualization. Okay, we call it RViz2 in ROS2. So it is ROS visualization tool which is only used for the visualization part. That might be the visualization of data and all those things. So that was about RViz. I am closing it. Now we are going to launch the RViz using the launch file that we have inside this particular package. Okay, if you go inside this package, we are already inside this package. If you go inside it, open the launch folder, you will see display.launch.py file. This particular file is responsible for launching the RViz environment. Okay, you can say RViz visualization environment, might not be the best word. So RViz2 visualization. So open the terminal, type out the command ROS2 launch. Then we have squarerobot underscore min underscore description. So because this is the mini version of squarerobot that we are building at Robotery, and Robotery is actually a tech initiative by myself where we teach about robotics and ROS2 training. So if you are interested, then you can just join the WhatsApp community. The link is given in the description. So yeah, coming back to the session, ROS2 launch squarerobot underscore min underscore description, type out display.launch.py. Perfect. You can see we have the same robot which was designed inside Fusion, right? So this is the exact robot that we are getting. Perfect. So we are almost done. We are also getting this particular, if you go to the left side panel of Ubuntu, the joint state publisher thing is there, where we can just check the joints are working or not. See, whenever I use this slide bar, then joints are moving. So we are correct with the joint state publisher. Perfect. So this is only the method to check the joints if these are working or not. And for this particular video, we discussed about RViz2, what is RViz2 and how to launch the RViz2 from the package that we have. So this was the most important point for the RViz2, and we can deal with the sensor data, all the visualization things in RViz2. Fine. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.